Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing some drifting going on your PlayStation 4 controller. Now, there's two different main ways to fix it. There's like probably a billion different ways if you think about it, but I'll show you how to do it without taking apart your controller. Now, this may be more so a temporary issue, but it should be giving you a little bit more time on your controller if you want to temporarily use it for a little bit longer. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing in this specific case, and the first way to actually fix this, is to first of all locate which specific joystick is causing the issue. Now, you can do this method on both, but what you want to do is you literally want to grab your joystick. You don't have to buy anything for this specific method, and all you want to do is kind of twist your joystick around. And what you need to do is you need to blow. I know this is very weird. You can also get a spray can. You don't have to, you can buy that if you want to, or you can just go twist the controller joystick this way and blow extremely hard into this direction, then push it down, go in this direction, blow here and blow here as hard as you can. I wouldn't do like super hard, but just kind of blow as hard as you can. And then what you want to do then is just pretty much just circulate this joystick for about 30 seconds and then do it the other way for 30 seconds too. And what you want to do there is go ahead and see if your controller is, temporarily fixed with that joystick issue. Now, sometimes there can be a lot of dust and debris and all that stuff in these joysticks. So that's the very first thing I would recommend doing is to literally go on each side as much as you can on your joysticks and blow around your whole entire joystick as hard as you can, making sure you're getting a lot of air in these specific areas to blow the dust inside of these compartments. And then you want to go ahead and retry and see if your controller is fixed at that point. It's not a guarantee, but it could potentially work. So that's the very first method. Now, the second method, if you're familiar with my other videos, is another common way to fix these specific issues. And it's actually using something called isopropyl alcohol. So what this is pretty much is just some type of, if you go to like Walmart or something, you can find a ton of these things. You might even have some laying around your house. It's just pretty much like rubbing alcohol kind of stuff. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and pretty much put this around our specific joysticks, but we want to use a cotton swab. You probably saw it in the beginning. All you want to do is pretty much open this bad boy up, and you just want to get a little bit on it. You don't want to like douse your whole entire hand with this specific stuff. You don't want to drink it. You don't want to do any of that stuff. You just want to kind of just put it in there, get a little bit on it just like so. And what you want to do there is put the cap back on. And you want to go just like how I mentioned earlier with the joystick just kind of blowing the air. You want to dab this around this joystick. You want to make sure there's enough to get inside, but you want to make sure there's not enough for it to get water damage. So you want to go ahead and kind of put some in there, make sure it's good enough. Again, you don't want to go super crazy. You just want to kind of go, you can put it around both joysticks if you want to. And at this point, all you want to do here is let it kind of sit there for a little bit, let it marinate, if you will, and move these Joy-Cons around like this. So you can keep doing it this way, keep doing it this way as well. And as long as it's not a major drift, as long as it, isn't a crazy drifting issue that you're having, this should theoretically fix the issue. Now, it's not a guarantee, but it honestly could very well. I've had this happen to my Nintendo Switch a couple times, and that ended up fixing the issue. So it could probably fix it for you too. And move this around, give it just a little bit of time. You can even let it rest for a little bit. But at this point, it should theoretically be fixed, and you can go ahead and try reconnecting. And again, it's not a guarantee, but it's pretty much the perfect way to fix it without opening up your controller. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.